Botswana is currently grappling with the burden of malnutrition, affecting mostly young children. The forms of malnutrition found in our country include undernutrition, overnutrition, and micronutrient deficiencies. Undernutrition in children under 5 years of age is the most prevalent, as statistics show that stunting stands at 21.3%, underweight at 7.5%, and acute malnutrition stands at 4%. Acute malnutrition has serious consequences that include a weakened immune system and increased risk of infections in young children. The Ministry of Health has a nutrition surveillance program that monitors children's growth, under fives that is, on a monthly basis at child welfare clinics. Regular reports show that some districts persistently report high prevalence of malnutrition. In 2024, the annual report revealed that the following districts were hotspots for undernutrition: Khanzi at 10%, Kalahari North at 9.3%, Mabutsane 7.8%, Boteti 6.6%, and Kweneng West at 6.1%. This donation from the Japanese government through UNICEF country office, therefore, could not have come at a better time. We are happy to receive it. It will surely help our children and save them from this deadly malnutrition scourge that threatens the lives of many of our children. I'm also aware that UNICEF has in the past supported the Ministry of Health and many other areas to advance its mandate of serving lives of our people. Thank you. I truly thank them for being such good Samaritans. Japan has also been a good friend and a partner to both the Ministry of Health and the people of Botswana. May God bless UNICEF, and may God bless the government and the people of Japan. Thank you.